quiero par de millones. Chillin', chillin', chillin'.
Yeah, que lo que mi gente. It's Casey with another video. So I'm gonna take her terminal, well at least her positive terminal for now. Maybe the negative one too. But alright, so we started this video earlier doing a whole battery relocation kit, but we're not doing that today. But we're gonna do a couple things today to this car and just update it here and there a little bit. I'm gonna be cleaning up the engine bay, and I'm gonna be spraying the plastic, I mean not the plastic, the carpet thingies in the back of the trunk, because you remember how when we did that wood install, it was hella dirty. So that's what we're gonna do. You wanna pop it? You wanna pop it? Fia doesn't know what it is. That little carpet piece right there. Boom. Do you wanna work?
Stretching, nigga, damn. You boy stuck hella late.
Here. We're gonna spray this. Boom. And we're gonna clean the engine bay.
Can you spray the whole interior?
You wanna spray the whole interior?
Might as well. Because black is where it's at.
Some deep. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start the process of painting, of getting this engine bay all cleaner. I'm gonna start off by taking the battery out, because we don't need that in there.
It wasn't okay how easily you took that off either.
I know that's not okay at all. You don't know if they had loosened it before, nigga. Yeah, fuck out of here. Alright, so alright, so I got a couple things here. I got a couple towels. I got some Purple Power, you know, some degreaser. Let me make sure it's, you know, I got some Purple Power, some degreaser. I have a drill here, but don't worry about it. The drill is for these things right here. These are like
for the Rocket Bunny kit.
For the Rocket Bunny kit.
Or the APR kit.
Boy, go pee. Okay, so this drill is for these wire brushes, which I'll be showing you why I am having these wire brushes right here, and I have some regular brushes right here. And that's why I have a big one right here, and then, you know, a little tiny one right there inside here. I'm gonna first take, let's say, this brush right here, right? There's hella dust everywhere. Like, there's dust all up in here, so you wanna just make sure you just take out all the dust from everywhere. All those dust particles right there. All this. Yeah. That's what you wanna just take all that out. But after you brush everything out, now I'm gonna grab the degreaser and spray everything. Spray the whole thing down and get it all nice and cleaned up. Wipe it down. Getting all the tight areas. So while I'm cleaning up the bay, right now I'm cleaning this up. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner than before. I don't know if I didn't show you what it looked like before, but it's a lot cleaner. The cap is looking a lot cleaner. I just gotta get that little part up there. This is next. Vidya is gonna be spray painting the carpet from the little back piece from in here, and I'm probably gonna get him to do this too, which is the back seat. It's gonna be easy.
I know you want that shit painted as well.
What?
Or the fuck is it?
Oh, no. Leave them tan. I think I'm gonna leave them tan so they can, you know, little shits pop out, you know what I'm saying?
Maybe.
I'm gonna show you guys how good this Purple Power actually works. You see this? I haven't done this side. Like, you see how, like, this is how it was before. And then I did this side. Look how much better it looks. That looks so much better. That makes a huge difference in this bay. And that one too, like, those are huge. Those plastic pieces make everything look so much newer. You just finished it? Oh yeah, boy. Now we just gotta let it sit and dry.
It's not gonna let us in dry because the bitch started raining.
Well, we'll just put it inside. Grab it from the bottom, put it inside, put it in there. And we're gonna close the trunk up, and before it starts actually raining. God, it was just good a second ago, right?
It was windy as fuck. I'm like, it's about to rain, bitch.
No, but it was like sun out, shiny as hell.
Yeah, bright as shit. Didn't want to wake up to this.
Alright, let's do this real quick. I'm gonna connect that up and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use it for. So what I'm gonna use this for is this intake right here. See how it looks? I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once you actually like have a wire brusher or something like this. Alright, so you guys see why? Like, see how shiny and good it looks? It looks kind of like brand new. So this is why you want to get something like this, or you could just use a wire brush and do it manually, but I feel like that would take forever, so that's why I got this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going, finish it up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I finish. Yeah. This is how it looks so far.
Major difference.
Yeah, I just gotta get down under here real quick, saying, you know, all the little small areas down there, but it's definitely a lot shinier, it's a lot cleaner. I'm gonna do this real quick, and then after that I'm probably gonna wrap it up because there's probably nothing else I can do unless it's pouring all day. If it's a quick second, then I'll come back out, continue the video, but as of right now, we don't know. We don't know. So I'll let you guys know, and I'll be back. I don't know if you guys remember this. We got the Back to Black trim and plastic restorer. The stock air box out. I took that out, and I'm gonna put some on here and see if it'll bring it back a little bit, because when right here, this right here, I want to see if it'll take this shit out, because honestly that makes it look very ugly and disgusting, and we'll just want to see if it makes it, you know, better. Now we're gonna pull this out and we're gonna do this. Oh, I need to change this. Ugh. You see all that? Dust it out. Wow.
Ceiling? Huh? Then I'll people.
My boy Fedia came in with the works, boy. Come on. Oh boy. Why are you struggling?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to line this shit up so it can actually fall correctly.
All you gotta do is push it in. But it's not going to if you don't put the other one in.
It's only one sided. Is it? Man, why you have to?
What do you mean why I have to?
I don't have
It's
to.
gotta hold on both sides. Oh, there you go. That don't gotta be super tight. Work. Good work. It looks a lot better back here now. What else? What else should we do?
Find out in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Dun, dun, dun. You won't kick flipping these slides right now.
Hold on. I feel mad close to this door. Ready? Come on, baby.
How long did it take you to set up the?
I landed it though, right?
I mean, hold on. So
Winning is winning.
We're not
No
bringing.
matter if it's by an inch or by a mile.
We're not bringing Fast and Furious right now.
Winning is winning.